kids. I, Miss Penera Fernandez, welcome you back again to the second video in English. Today, I have taken a prose topic for you. The name of our first chapter is Just in Case. Now, we will go through the story. I will read the story and explain the difficult words, followed with some exercises. This story is about a boy named Tico, and he has taken part in the school function. Now, as you all know, whenever we take part in functions, there is some hesitation before we act out on the stage. Tico also was afraid of the same. So let's see how he overcomes his fear. Tico and his father are waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Tico is going to participate in the annual function of his school. Tico, do you think the bus will come on time, Papa? Tico, you are asking this same question for the fourth time. Of course it will. Everyone pities Tico's parents. Tico makes them tired by repeating his questions. Tico was quiet for 30 seconds, then he started again. Papa, if the bus is late, we may not reach the concert hall in time. Then my teacher may give my role to another student. Oh, Tico, there's the bus. Stop getting rattled and get in. Over here, Tico, all the people around think and pity upon Tico's parents because Tico is getting them irritated by asking the same question again and again. So, what he says, he waits for 30 seconds, sorry, and again he starts with his same question. Then the father gets upset and says, Tico, stop getting irritated. The bus has already come. Let's move in. Tico boards the bus with his father. He settles in a seat and is at it again. Papa, should I check my bag to see if I've taken everything? Tico, we did that once before we left home and once after we reached the bus stop. Just in case, Papa. Thankfully, they reach the concert hall in time. Tico meets his friends who greet him. Tico says a weak hello with a serious face. This makes his friends laugh even more. Tico, what is your latest problem? What are you teasy about today? Just in case I forget my lines, what should I do? Let me go to a corner and practice. Alok, who is playing the part of a king in the play, is calm. He tries to calm Tico down. Do you need help, Tico? Yes, thank you, Alok. I'd like to know if I should start with left or right from the swing moment. But why do you have to sway? To show, Tico says, to show that it is windy. I'm a tree, you remember? Alok says, I do. But trees can also stand still or move a little. They don't have to sway. You can be breezy, not windy. Tico replies, I understand, but just in case. Also, I want to be one of the best actors. Their teacher comes to check the children's makeup and costumes for the last time. All the best, children. Form a line quickly. Our play is coming up next. The teacher says to the students to get ready for their performance. The play is all about Emperor Ashoka. He plants many trees along the roads so that the travelers can rest in their shade. Tico is one of the tree. The other trees are breezy, but Tico stands swaying his arms continuously. It is more like a storm. Alok speaks his lines beautifully. The audience clap. Suddenly, one of the tree falls. Look, as if there's a storm coming up. Thank God no one was standing under the tree when it fell, says Alok. The audience laugh and clap louder. When the curtains came down and Tico opens his eyes, he can see that all his friends have gathered around him. You were the best tree, Tico. Everyone clapped for you, says Alok. Tico replies, did they really enjoy my acting? Of course they did. Why do you ask? Says the teacher. Tico replies, just in case. Now, I have two exercises for you. Exercise 1 is you need to complete the sentence, and in exercise 2 I have few question answers. Let's look at exercise 1. People pitied Tico's parents. Why? Tico thought that his teacher would. What would his teacher do? What did he think if he was late? Third, Alok was having fun with his friends, although we know that Alok was very clever. Why? If you have figured out the answers, let's check whether what you have figured out is right or wrong. Now, let's check the answers for exercise 1. The first answer. People pitied Tico's parents because he kept on asking the same question again and again. Second, Tico thought that his teacher would give his lines to someone else. Third, Alok was having fun with his friends, although he was taking part in the play. Fourth, we know that Alok was very clever because he calmed Tico down even after being a part of the play. If you have guessed your answers right, good. Moving to exercise 2. Answer the following. I have a line for you. Tico. We did that once before we left home and after we reached the bus stop. Who says these lines or these words? If you have guessed it, wait to see the answers. What did they do once before? And the third question, who wants them to do it again? Now let's check the answers for the exercise 2 which you have got. The first answer is Tico's father. Second answer is once before they checked their bags to see if Tico had carried everything. And the third answer is Tico wants them to do it again. Check your answers. If you have got all three answers right, give a clap to yourself. Thank you students for listening. Have a nice day.